So this is Sir Abdul Rahman. This is lesson 1 of the topic forming linear and quadratic equations, word problems, question from O-level math 4024 past papers. So this is question number 1 of this worksheet, and this is from 4024 paper 1 variant 2 May June 2014, question number 23 part A. In this question, don't use calculator because this is from paper 1 here. So let us start this question. In quadrilateral ABCD, angle A equals to 2y plus x degree, angle B equals to 3y plus x degrees, angle C equals to 2y plus 10 degree, and angle D equals to 3x plus 5 degree. By finding the sum of the angles in the quadrilateral, show that 7y plus 5x equal to 345 here. So before solving this question, you should know what is quadrilateral. Basically, quadrilateral is a four-sided figure like square, rectangle, kite, trapezium. So it is a quadrilateral. It is four-sided figure here, and like this is four-sided figure. In this quadrilateral, there are four angles: angle A, B, C, and D. Angle A is 2y plus x, angle B 3y plus x, angle C 2y plus 10, and angle D is 3x plus 5 here. So by finding the sum of angles in the quadrilateral, it means you should know what is the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral. So the sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180. So in this quadrilateral, there are two triangles here. So we can say the sum of interior angle is 180 plus 180, 360 degree. So we can say sum of interior angles is equal to 360 degree. So sum, what is the meaning of sum? Sum is you have to use the plus sign, positive sign, or addition here. So we add all angles. 2y plus x with angle B 3y plus x with angle C 2y plus 10 with angle D 3x plus 5, which is equal to 360 degree. Now add all x and all y. So there are 1x, 2x, and 2x, and there is 3x. So we have 5x here, and 2y plus 3y, 5y plus 2y is 7y. So plus 7y, which is equals to, and the number is 5, 10, 15, plus 15 here. So here is 15 is equal to 360 degree. So 360 minus 15, which is 345. So we can say 7y plus 5x and 7y plus 5x equals to 345. Now we have shown here. So basically there's a long working because I'm trying to give an idea how to form a linear equation from this information, but you can do this with 1 or 3 steps. Now move on. Question number 2. This is question number 2 from 4024, paper 2, variant 2, May, June, paper 1, May, June 1, 2, paper 1, variant 2. Sorry, 4024, 2022. It is 2022 here. Year 2022, May, June, paper 1, variant 2, question number 2, part C. The length of the base of a parallelogram is 6 centimeter more than its perpendicular height, h centimeter. The area of this parallelogram is 33.25. This is a parallelogram here. So you should know what is a base. Base of parallelogram. This is the base of the parallelogram here. Base of a parallelogram, and the base of a parallelogram is 6 centimeter more than its perpendicular height, h centimeter. This is the height, h centimeter here. 6 centimeter more than. So you can write an equation from this information. So base of a parallelogram is means equal to sign. We use equal to sign here. 6 centimeters, 6 more means you have to use a positive sign, more than its perpendicular height h. This is one equation from the information, and the area of the parallelogram is given here. Area is equals to 33.25 centimeter square. And with these information, we have to show that h satisfy the equation 4h square plus 24h minus 133 equal to 0. It means we have to form this equation from these information. So area is given here. You should know what is the area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram basically base into height. So in this diagram, this length is base and the perpendicular height is the height. So put the value in the correct place. The area of parallelogram is 33.25. Base is 6 plus h. Use bracket, parenthesis, use parenthesis please, 6 plus h times small h, height. So by expanding the bracket, you should form this equation. 33.25 is equal to 6h plus h square. So arranging h, we can say 6h square plus 6h is equal to 33.25, or we can say h square plus 6h minus 33.25 is equal to 0. But still trying to get the quadratic equation. So there is a 133, but this is 33.25. So remove the decimal. H square plus 6h minus you 33.25, or remove the decimal with the help of by dividing 100, or we can multiply by 100 to remove the decimal place. h square by multiplying by 100. By multiplying by 100, now decimal has been removed. It will be 100h square minus 600h. Sorry, 100h square plus 600h. 600h minus 3325 is equal to 0. Because when you multiply 33.25 by 100, decimal will be moved forward. But the equation which we have to show is 4h square plus 4h. I'm going to write here 4h square plus 24h minus 133 equal to 0. We have to show this. So this is 100 and we have to show 4. So it means 4 watts are 100. Think 4 watts are 100. 425 is 100. So if you divide by 25, you get 4. Now it will be 100 divided by 24 is, sorry, 25. 425 is 100. We get 100 over 25 is 4. 600 divided by 25 is 600 divided by 24. 600 divided by 25 is, will be 24h minus 3325 divided by 25. You get 133 equal to 0. Now we have formed this equation. The required equation is shown. I hope you get the idea how to form quadratic equation from the given information here. Now move on, question number 3. This is from 4024 2020 year 2022 October November 4024 paper 2 variant 2. This paper, this is variant October November 2010 year. Now in this question, A, B, C, D and P, Q, R, S are rectangles. There are 2 rectangles here. Each rectangle has an area of 13 centimeters square. So I'm going to write area equals to 13. Area is equal to 13. Both rectangles have area 13 centimeters square here. So 8 AD equals to X, the length AD, yes, this is at AD equal to X centimeter and PS equal to X plus 5 centimeter. Find in terms of X an expression for AB and PQ first. Then we form the equation from part B. Okay. Now X is what here? This is a rectangle, and what is X? What is AD? AD is the width here. AD is width. So we can say W width equals to X and AB is the length here. Length. Similar way, X plus 5 is the length because length is the longest side, and this is width QP or PQ. So For this, you have to write an expression in term of x for AB. To write in expression in term of x for AB, I'm going to take the triangle ABCD and the area is 13. So we use the area and length into width for part A, part 1. So area of rectangle equals to length into width. Area is 13 here for rectangle ABCD. So 13 here, and the length is AB and the width is x. Length is AB times x. So AB will be, x is multiplying here with AB, so it will be divide 13 over x. This is the expression in term of x for AB. Now part B, second part. In the second part, you have to write an expression for length PQ. So for the second part, we are using this triangle PQRS. I'm going to take this triangle PQRS and PQRS, PQRS, triangle, not triangle. PQRS has area A equal to 13 and length equals to x plus 5. Width is unknown, x plus 5 is the length. Same way we use the area formula for area of rectangle. Area of rectangle PQRS is equal to length into width. Length is x plus 5. Width is QP, or you can say PQ. Is equal to 13. So PQ is multiplying by x plus 5. So, sorry, x plus 5 is multiplying by PQ. So x plus 5 will be in denominator. Now, there are two expressions in term of x for AB and PQ. Now move on part B. Read part B. Given that AB is 3 centimeter greater than PQ. AB is 3 centimeter greater than PQ. Okay, greater than PQ 3 centimeter, more than PQ or 3 centimeter, greater than PQ. And with the help of this information, you have to form an equation in X and show it simplifies to this. So I'm going to use the sentence for part B. Sentence was AB is 3 centimeter greater than PQ. So write down an equation from this information. AB is 13 over x. Is means the equal to sign equals to 3 copy greater than, more than. It means you add 3 with the PQ. The PQ is 13 over x plus 5. Now simplify this. So it is 13 over x here is equal to taking LCM. LCM is x plus 5. So when you take LCM x plus 5, it will be 3 times of x plus 5 plus 13. Now 13 over x equals to 3x plus 3 5 are 15 plus 13 over x plus 5. Now cross multiplication. By cross multiplication, 13 times x plus 5 is equal to uh, x times 3x plus 15 plus 13 is 28. So 3x squared plus 28x, 13x plus 13 5 is 65. So 3x squared plus 28x minus 13x minus 65 is equal to 0. We get 3x squared plus 28 minus 13 is 5. Oh, sorry, 15x minus 65 is equal to 0. So we have formed 3x squared plus 15x minus 65 is equal to 0. This is the final answer for part B. Check the 3x square is 3x squared plus 15, 3x squared plus 15x minus 65 is equal to 0. So I hope you got the idea how to form quadratic and linear equations. This is the basics, and it was lesson number 1. So finally, don't forget to share this video with your friends, like and subscribe. Thank you very much.